back, guys. Sorry I haven't posted in a while.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Devil video. Today actually this is gonna be my first Roblox Studio video. Let's open up Roblox Studio. And today we're gonna be learning how to make a leaderboard. We need the Explore and the Properties tabs open. So if you don't already have those open, go to View, and then, no, I don't want that. Properties and Explorer. And they'll open. And like, if I like to have them, some people like to have it like this, or like however. I just like to have it like this. Properties over here, Explorer over here. And we're gonna start off by adding a script in server script service. We'll name it Leaderboard. And yeah, delete print hello world because we don't need that. So we're gonna start off by doing game dot players dot player added connect function PLR there. And so basically what this does is whenever a new player joins the game, it runs this function that we're gonna put here. So we're gonna do like instance dot new folder comma PLR. No, we're gonna do local board equals that. And so that puts a folder in the player so that we can like put values in that. So we're gonna do board dot name equals, it has to be named leader stats with a lowercase l, leader stats, because then it won't, if you don't, then it won't make the leaderboard. So next we want to put like values in the leaderboard. If you want to do like points or coins or whatever, we'll do coins, local coins equals instance dot new int value board. Oh, and what this does, the second thing in the instance, is it makes it so the instance, the int values parent is this board folder, and the folder's parent is the player. So like, I'll give you an example. This leaderboard script, its parent is server script service. We want to name it like coins dot name equals coins. That's the leaderboard. Now we're gonna do the data store. Okay, for the data store, first we're gonna do local ds equals, like ds stands for data store, game get service. I hate this. Game get service data store service. And so basically that gets the module or something, I guess, that's, I think, predefined. And so it's what enables us to store the data in there. And now we want to add a like specific data store. We want to name the data store we want to use. So we do local. We'll have this local stats, I guess, equals ds get data store, like this, and put here whatever you want to name it. So I want to name it like user stats or something. It can be whatever you want. But as soon as you change the name of this, it will be like kind of wiped in a way. Or not wiped, but like if you change it to a different name after, it will reset the stats for the players. Now what we do is game dot players dot player added dot connect function PLR, and then we want to do a wait one, because we want the stats to load that we put in the player and the leaderboard here. And now we do local PLR key equals PLR dot user ID local save 1 equals PLR dot leader stats dot and then since we did coins here, dot coins, and actually the reason I did save value 1 is because you can keep doing this one line for every single thing you have, but we only have 1, so we only need 1. Oh, and for every single thing you need to change it from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. You get the point, and change these to whatever names to whatever you want. So we're gonna do there, and now we're gonna do local get saved equals ds get a sync, yeah, I spelled that right, PLR key, and now we do if get saved, then because we want to see if it has value, save value 1 equals get saved 1. And if you have more, like save value, if you have a save value 2, then you do equals get saved 2 and so on. But we only have 1, so we're gonna only be doing that. After this, no, actually, here we do an else, because if they're a new player, they won't have any values there. So we're gonna do local stats to save equals save value 1 dot value, because we want to know the value of the int value. And since we only have 1 here, since we only have 1 value in the thing, we only do it once. But if you have more, then you do comma save value 2 dot value and so on. Then ds get a sync PLR key, comma, stat to save. There. Now we do, oh yeah, then now we do game dot players dot player removing. So when the player leaves or is leaving, it runs this function, connect function. We'll want to get the player that's leaving. And so now we do ds set a sync plr dot user id, comma, player dot leader stats dot since we have our thing is coins, we do dot coins dot value. And again, for every value you have in the leaderboard, you keep doing this. Oops. Yeah, there. And there we go. I'm just gonna add some credits up here. There we go. There. Yeah, and well, I'm just gonna do like, and there, that is it. Yeah, and now we're gonna test it. Don't care about that. And now you see coins equals 0. Oh no, it says, and what is the value or whatever? Okay, this is why we have the properties open. It's uppercase U in user ID. Open this. Change this to this. User ID. There we go. There we go. Now let's test it again. Still says, oh, lowercase d at the end. You see? There we go. Okay, now we're gonna play test again. Huh? Oh, I see my problem. So here we do stats. Did I do that? Yeah, here's two. Stats. There we go. That should do it. Yes. Right. Also, one more thing we gotta do. We gotta go to game settings. Well, you gotta publish the game. Gonna name this example DataStore. Create. And now we go to world. No, we go to security, and you want to enable studio access to API services, because that's what we're going to be using for the data store. All this stuff is stuff we're not going to be doing stuff with in this video, so we can just leave that alone for now. And now let's play test it. Okay, you see, let's do this again. There we go. Now what we can do is you do /console and it'll bring up this. Now we want to go to server, type in the command that is on the screen now, and I'm gonna do it too. It's game.players your username, so mine is irksally45 dot leaderstats dot coins dot value equals 100. No, equals 100. And now you can see, let me close this, that I have 100 coins. And now if I leave the game and then I rejoin, you will see that I don't have 100 coins. I'm sorry, it's actually just a little buggy in Roblox Studio. So if we go and publish it, okay, and now /console, we go to server and do that same command game.play dot works. And now if we leave the game, rejoin the game, you will see that I still have no coins. Okay, another thing we're gonna add is game.players, no, sorry, while wait, I think it's like 60, yeah, do, and we're just gonna copy this, paste it, and now if we do publish to Roblox, and then let's open it again in Roblox, and then we do /console server and game.players.irksally45 dot leaderstats dot coins dot value equals 100. And now we wait 60 seconds. Okay, now it says attempt to index nil with user ID. Okay, so that's because here player wasn't announced, like declared. So what we do is for underscore comma key or whatever in I pairs game dot players get children do and PLR, no, we name this PLR. File, publish to Roblox. / console server game dot players dot works pally 45 dot leaders stats dot coins dot value equals 100. Okay, so I believe 60 seconds have passed. So leave game. Let's add here print all players stats have been saved. And how about here we do here, I want to do this to see what the problem is. So print there. File. Console. Game dot players. There. Now I have 100 coins. And we'll just wait till we see something in the output. Okay, so good. It says all player stats have been saved. And it says 100 coins, so good. Okay. Nothing wrong with this. Let's change this to 2. Okay. Let's just try this. PLR dot leader stat dot coins. Let's try that and see what happens. So it says coins is not the value of the folder. Coins dot like okay, there. That worked. What we'll do we'll put this, of course, save value 1, and then at the end of this we'll just do plr dot leader stats dot coins dot value equals, oops, that's my ID, and equals save value 1. Dot. And now you can see that we have 100 coins. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you. The links for both of these scripts will be in the description for you to save and put into your game. Also, if you're 13 or older, then join my Discord server. Its link will be in the description. There are channels in there where you can ask questions and someone, most likely me, will help you out there. So go check it out. Also, go follow me on Twitter. My handle is on screen and the link is in the description. I'm nearly at 200 followers and I post all kinds of stuff there too. So go follow me. If you like this video and it helped you, please like it. If you have anything you want me to make a tutorial on, please comment below what it is. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean a ton. That's all. Peace.